Emergency vehicles cleaning. Let's clean all the vehicles. Hospital, ambulance. Remove all the dirt from the floor. Now make foam on it. Brush it very well. Now wash with water and dry with the cloth. Now it looks new. Fire engine. Remove the dirt with blower. Hide with foam. Now brush it. Wash with water. Dry with cloth. Wow, look like new. Police car. Remove dirt. Cover with foam. Clean with brush. Now wash with water. Let it dry with the cloth. Yeah, look like new. Air ambulance. Dirt remove with the blower. Cover with the foam. Brush it, brush it, brush it. Wash with the water. Dry with the cloth. Shell. Look like a new.